I forgot. Okay. One second, guys. One. Okay, guys, let's go ahead. How are you, Ritisha? How are you, Dia? You guys, video on, guys.
Good.
Okay. Armahan, how are you? Hey, Raga is in there today. Dia, you know better. Raga is here. See, Raga, to get from you to say, oh, I'm here. It takes me time. But that's okay. I saw you. Doesn't matter. Vishnu Ram, how was the homework?
Pretty easy.
Pretty easy. That's good to know. Okay, let me quickly check. I remember looking at some of yours who submitted earlier, but not the that submitted late. Let's see. Hi, Ashwin. I know that you're here. I'll come to you. Wait. Okay. The thing was alchemist. I forgot to ask. How was it?
Easy.
Easy. Okay. Are you all ready to show? Are you ready to show alchemist? Yes, no, please. Tell me, guys.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, I will accept, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's see. Oh, wow. Ritisha. Okay, they attached it. I didn't see this, ma. One variable distribution, you have 94, which is good. Okay, I didn't expect that. Nice, Ritisha. 97, right?
You said like around 97 to 99. Yeah.
Oh, you got 99th?
Don't. No, I think did I? I don't remember
No,
what.
no, you got 97, I saw.
Oh, is that good?
Yeah, one request, Vishnu Ram. If you post it to me like this, I cannot see how much is it.
What? Wait, what?
No, you're not understanding what I said. Okay, I'll show you. Meaning, there's no comparison. Okay, I just want to show you. So when you look at it here, right, I'm able to see the number, you see, and how many did she get it right? I'm able to see. Do you see it in here?
Yeah.
See, that I'm not able to see in yours, I'm saying. So when I come to Dia's as well, right, that I'm able to see what did she score. She took off how much on of how much she did. Dia, I want to see that, Dia.
Okay.
You get it? See, that it tells me, right?
Hey, Auntie,
Yeah.
I didn't send it, but can I share my screen to
Yeah,
show?
please, I would love to see.
This one. Mm-hmm.
Raga, did you get to do? Wow, 97, nice.
Yeah, I did it, but I forgot to turn
I
it
just did
in.
the harder topic first. I had a lot of science competitions. I couldn't do this one that
No
much.
problem. I completely understand. I completely understand. Don't worry about it. Okay. This is good. 92, 16 or for 20. Okay. With distribution. Okay. That's fine. No problem. No problem.
I still find this topic easy. It's easy for me.
Easy for you. I'm able to see. All
Like for
good.
example, this is like 8x3 4 times 8x3 minus x over x to the power of 2 plus 5x.
Correct. But if you factorize, you can take the 4x square, 4x out, right?
Oh yeah. So it'll be 4x.
Yeah. 4x times
4x times 30 and 8x to the power of 2 minus 4 minus x
8x power of 2 minus x.
no, x plus 5
5. Yeah. Then you know how to solve this.
no.
Yeah, that we did not solve. That's quadratics, right? So the product should be 40, the sum should be a -1. What is it? 40 and a -1. Can you solve that? 40 and a -1. So I don't think it's solvable. So you just write it like this: 4x, 8x square minus x plus 5. Okay.
Mhm.
I don't. This is not this cannot be factored. So just write it like that. Can I move on?
Can I also show my alchemist?
Yes, would be nice, Arman. Would love to. If you don't want to, I'll never push. But at the same time, I want you to. Hey, Ashwin, I want you to see on the video. Your video is mandatory, ma. You can just keep listening. That's fine. But I want your video. Thanks. Okay, good.
So
Yeah.
I did 93 on one variable.
Hey, that's good because you see the number of questions. I'm happy.
Okay.
More mistakes you make, the more you learn. Uh-huh.
And then I didn't really have much time to do this.
Oh, no.
So
No
I only
problem
did
at all. But looks like you've gotten all the 5 right that you tried, right? Which is good. Which is good. But please do, guys. This is such a game changer. Huh?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, good. Can I move on now? Sham, where are we?
Good.
Good. That means what? Did you do alchemist?
Yeah.
Was it okay? You don't want to show this week? Next week you'll show us?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I will respect it. Vishnu Ram, what's up?
Mhm.
Any inputs for me? You're not going to do anything else there, please.
Like what?
You're not going to do chat any on any other tab there.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on. Okay. Okay, so point two done. Okay, now we've got a lot to do. 5 points will only be completed, right? Okay, let's go with 5.3 today. Yeah. We did substitution, right?
Yeah, we did substitution.
Why don't I give you 1 or 2 more problems on substitution and see where we are? Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah. 2 variable equations. Graphically, do you guys know how to solve that? I know the book does not cover it right now, as I said, right? But it's good to know. Let's see. Let me see whether I can solve that now for you.
I don't know if I know how to graph it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll quickly go over it.
But don't you need to like put points and then you need to like substitute?
Yep. Be it any equation, you should be able to put points and plot it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So given, how would you solve for Ashwin? If you don't get it, you don't have to be bothered right now. Okay, you're just going to listen. Let's see whether that will suit. So 2x plus y equal to 7, x minus 2y equal to 6. You all want to try or you want me to do it on the board?
I want to try it.
Okay then.
Yeah. This looks like an easy.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, then you go ahead and do. If you don't get it, then I'll anyway do it on the board once for Ashwin. Go ahead. So, Ashwin, just to let you know, right? Express this equation as y equal to.
Yeah, I know.
Get? Okay, that put it in equation 2. Put that in x minus 2y equal to 6, right? This y, instead you substitute that here, you'll solve linear equation.
Yeah.
Try.
Miss Priya, can you check my answer?
Yes, ma. 1 minute, ma. Are we recording? I just want to make sure we are recording. Swarit is not coming.
Yeah, we are recording.
Thank you. Yeah, because mom asked 2-3 times, and usually this class, I don't know, I forget every time. That's right. Yeah, you got it right, both of
Do
you.
I have to send it in chat?
Yeah, yes, ma. Sorry, Ashwin, I did not tell you about it. Yes. You will be able to chat with me. Correct, Ashwin. So this is how you solve 2 variable 2 equations. See, if you have 1 variable, you can solve it in 1 equation. If you have 2 variables, you need 2 equations. Did you try this after our meetup, Ashwin?
No, I already know it.
Okay. But same thing I gave you. You didn't.
Oh,
Okay. I don't know. Okay, that's fine.
okay.
Sham correct. Ashwin correct. Ritesh correct. Arman correct. Okay. Can I move on? Oh, Vidyut. Sorry. I'll wait. Vishnuram, I'll wait. Okay. Those of you who did right, last one you can try. After the others are not going to try the second one. Okay. If you do it fast, then we can do two. Otherwise, I'll move on. Go ahead. Second one. Yes, Ratisha and Arman, you don't have to while away your time. You can try this one.
You're on mute.
Vidyut, something seems faulty, Vidyut.
Okay, let me do it again.
Yeah. Oh, the second one seems correct, Maratisha. Raga correct. Sham correct. Diya, are you answering for one or two?
One.
One, okay, little lost. Okay, is that Y or X? How will I know?
Oh.
Unless you put. Arman, the second one gone for a task. It's not that hard. Can you try?
Okay.
Vishnuram, is that the answer for one or two, Vishnuram? Yeah, that's correct. Correct. One is correct. Arman, second one, something feels odd. Vidit, can I work it out on the board, do you think?
I'm almost done with it.
Okay, no problem. No hurry. You can take your time. That's fine. Because others are doing too, which is fine. Second one seems incorrect, Ashwin. Anyway, I'll do it on the board if you want. Second one, nobody got it perfectly right? One of you got it. Sham, are you doing Sham?
I sent my answer.
Vidyut, something feels wrong, definitely. I'm going to do one.
I think I'm just messing up.
Is my answer correct? For a
One
second.
more wait, ma. Y will be equal to 7 minus 2x Vidyut, right?
I know
X
that.
minus 2 times 7 minus 2x. Did you write it like this in paper?
Yeah.
Okay. Now x minus 14 plus 2x plus 4x did you do?
Yeah.
Then what is the problem? 5x will be equal to 20. X will be equal to 4.
Oh, I see what I did wrong.
What did you do?
I accidentally, in my work, instead of the, it's just like silly mistakes. Instead of putting a 4 here, I accidentally put a 2.
Oh my God. Here too, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, see, I did the same thing actually, but then I just saw. Okay, so just be careful. Then you substitute the 4, then y will be equal to minus 1. So the answer is 4 comma minus 1 for the first one.
Yeah.
Okay, now the second one, I feel like everybody is getting it wrong. Wait, Vishnuram and Arman got it. So let's see. Second one, I'll quickly do. Ritisha, you got it, right, Ritisha? Minus 2x plus y equal to minus 11. That tells me y will be equal to minus 11 plus 2x. Right? Now that I'm going to substitute in here. X plus 3 times minus 11 plus 2x equal to 9. That gives you one variable, one equation. X minus 33 plus 6x equal to 9. 7x equal to 33 plus 9. So that is 42. So x will be equal to 6, right? Now putting that 6 in here, minus 12 plus y equal to minus 11, y will be equal to minus 11 plus 12, y will be equal to a 1. Any questions?
I did
So-
that and I got it. I got.
The thing, I did it differently. I got y first, then I put x.
And I was doing that and I got minus.
Got the answers?
Yeah, I got 6-1.
Oh, that's good. Yes, that's nice. Can I move on? Okay. Now, Ashwin, did you get that? Second
Yeah, I
one?
understand.
Then who else didn't answer? Okay, Raga, did I get your answer on the second one? I don't think so, right, Raga? Raga,
No, I didn't finish it.
did you understand, Madhu?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, you can do it anyway. There'll be more problems. Okay. Now, I really want to go to elimination. I'll tell you why. There are two methods. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you what scenarios you'll go for elimination easily. Okay. Let's say I have this. Okay. Here you can really go for substitution. What you'll do with this, you will solve for y. Solve for literals we did, right? You will solve for y. When you solve for y, what happens? 3y will be equal to minus 11 minus 2x. Y will be equal to minus 11 minus 2x divided by 3. See, when we don't want fractions, we are getting a ton of fractions in this. Why? That's because none of the x and y exist alone. They always exist with a non-1 coefficient. This is the coefficient, right? This is called the coefficient, whatever is with the variable. The coefficients, none of them are 1. If at least one of them are 1, then I can use it for substitution. Because if you have 2x plus y equal to minus 11, I can quickly say y equal to minus 11 plus 2x. I can substitute that in the next equation. Here, none of their coefficients are 1. So, those are the scenarios where you need to go ahead with some other method, not substitution. Substitution is not going to work. So, let's see what I can do. When you have two variables, two equations, anyway, you will have to bring it to one variable, one equation. Then only we can solve one by one, right? So this is going to be 67. What I'll do, my thing is, the second method is called elimination. That itself tells me I'm going to eliminate one variable. But how to eliminate that variable? Look for the terms. How to eliminate? See, the coefficient of y is 3, the coefficient of y is minus 3. That is my treasure. It's already one positive, one negative. So add both the equation. When you add both the equations, automatically y gets eliminated. 7x will be equal to what? 56. X will be equal to 7 8s are 56, right? That's it. And then now bring any one of the equation and substitute. Equal to minus 11, 8, 16, 16, 16 plus 3y equal to minus 11. If you take it here, minus 27, y will be equal to minus. Any questions? Sometimes, the hard part is they won't match. The coefficients won't match. Okay, we'll consider the same. We'll consider the same problem. But who can tell me, I want to eliminate the x variable. Let the y variable be there. Okay, but see, it's easiest to eliminate the y variable here because their coefficients are the same. See, are the same and of different signs. So it's easy for me to add both the equations and eliminate y. However, I want to eliminate x. So what will I do? Any thoughts? I want to eliminate x. I decided to eliminate x, not y. So what will I do? You think you can think of some methods? Think about it. Tell me how to eliminate x. How to eliminate x?
Multiply both equations by like 5 and 2, so that way we can get a common
Yeah.
DCF.
Yep. Nice. So find out the LCM. If I want to eliminate x, the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So I'll multiply this entire equation by 5, this entire equation by 2. So what happened? 10x plus 15y equal to minus 55. See how x is getting eliminated. 10x, see, I made the coefficients the same, right? 121, 34. See, I have this. Now I have to eliminate. If I add, they won't get eliminated. What should I do? I need to subtract both the equations. 10x minus 10x is 0. 15y minus 6y is what? 21y will be equal to minus 55 minus 134 means I'm going to add both together, right? 189. Now y will be equal to minus 189 by 21. What is that? 9 minus. Make sense? See? Answers are the same. How many did not get it? How many of you didn't get it?
I understand it like half kind of.
Half kind of? Okay. Okay, others, just give me feedback, guys.
Okay.
Did you understand? Who did not understand? I'm asking. You can feel free to let me know, right?
I don't understand the part where like you went from 10x plus 15y equals minus 55 to 10x. I mean the part where you got 21y equals negative 189.
I get it. I get it. I'm just saying.
Okay, I see. Well, okay, Vishnuram, good question. You understood how I got this, right?
Yeah.
After that, you're going to subtract both the equations. If you want to subtract both the equations, I'll do 10x minus 10x, which is 0. Right? Then I will do 15y minus 6y. Correct? The minus comes here. 15y minus 6y. 15y minus 6y is what? 15y.
15 plus 6y.
Ah. You got it?
Yeah.
Then what? For this one?
Negative 55 minus 134.
Correct. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Sham, are you on board with me?
Yeah.
Hey, Raga, how about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, but you know what? I'm not going to ask you to do right away. Ashin, did you get it?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay. See, that's what I thought. Tonight's class will not be a big problem for you. But yeah, let's see. Okay, now I'm going to do one more, okay? You want elimination, right? Yeah, this is a good one. I'll do myself and then you can do. 4x minus 7y equal to 13. How about this? 2x plus 3y equal to minus 5. See, the best part is not these skills, okay? When we do the word problems, you'll see a ton of difference. So, do you see the coefficients? Now, one of you is going to suggest. See the coefficients 4, 2, 7, 3. Which variable should be eliminated, you all think?
X.
4 and 2. X.
X should be eliminated. Why we should not eliminate Y? We can eliminate, but why is it not advisable?
Because it's harder.
Because
Their LCM is like larger LCM.
You
exactly
have to
so
multiply
messy.
both equations, but if you do x, you just need to multiply for 1.
I like that explanation. Yes. If you do with X, it's enough to multiply one equation by 2. If you do Y, that equation should be multiplied by 3. This equation should be multiplied by 7, which extends my work. So 4x minus 7y equal to 13 is maintained as it is. This one becomes 4x plus 6y equal to minus 10. Now, please, one another person guide me. I'm going to subtract the equations because the coefficients are the same. So what will I do?
It would
The
become
4x gets cancelled.
Mm-hmm.
and then you'll get negative y equals
Negative 13y.
Negative what?
13y, negative 13y.
13y. Vidyut, are you with me?
Yeah, negative 13y, sorry. And then you would get 23.
But that doesn't, is that the answer? Let me quickly check, guys.
Yeah, because that makes sense. But yeah,
Yeah, it makes sense. Anna, wait. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, good. So what is y value? Minus 23 by 30. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. The thing is, why we found out, and I'll substitute in here. Okay, let's try that. One full problem we'll do. 4x minus 7 times minus 23 by 13 equal to 13. How will I make my job easy? 4x. What do I want to do? Equal to 13 plus 13 minus 7 times 23 by 13. Right? Now, what will I do?
Wouldn't it be plus? Because if you move it on the other side, it's plus.
This will be plasma, but when it moves to the other side, it becomes minus. Make sense?
Yeah, never mind.
No, good to ask that. 13 times 13 is 169 minus 16. 4x equal to 8, x equal to 2 is what I'm getting. X equal to 2 by 13 is what I'm getting. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Makes sense, huh? See, the thing here is how to check this. Do you know, meaning after you solve, right? Let's suppose you get this in for an exam. How to check this? Please substitute the value of x and y into the equation and make sure you get a 13. That's how you check it. Okay, checking is an important aspect. Not now, this is just skill-based problems, right? Now, when we go into word problems, right? When you answer right, make sure it works in the original equation. Checking is a part of the step. You have to check your answers. Make sense? Okay. Let's see. I want to give you one simple word. Okay, let's see. We'll do one or two more problems and then we'll do one word problem. Okay. How about this? I don't want to go to decimals now. How about this? Minus u plus 3v equal to 8. 10v minus 2u equal to 16. Careful, guys. There's variable on both sides. There's variable on both sides. Interesting. Let's see. Let's see where we are. Looks like it's a little trickier problem than I expected. Yep, it's a trickier problem. Let me wait and see. We did discuss this, but not the last week, maybe. Yeah. We did discuss the weirdness of this problem as well. Let's see.
I got a weird answer and I sent it.
You got a weird answer. Okay.
Same.
See, that's where, did we not discuss infinitely? No solution. Do you remember, guys? We did or we didn't? Okay, I'll wait for everybody to answer. Is it right, Shyam? Did you get a 4,4? Really?
Yeah.
When you do elimination? Yeah, since everything correct, Ritisha. I agree with you. That's why I said it's weird. Everything gets cancelled out. So are you getting 0 is equal to 0? Yeah, true. So if 0 equal to 0 is an identity in mathematics, right? No, Ashwin. What did you get, Ashwin?
Like I just got like no, when I did the elimination, I just got
What did you get? It's weird, I know, but what is
yeah.
it? What is it?
when I did the elimination, I just came back to 6v minus 2u equals 16.
What did you get? Let's do it. Okay, but that's correct. Whoever got 0 equal to 0 is correct. Okay.
I got 0 equals to 0 too.
Oh, good. Okay, that's nice. So now let me rearrange it. Minus u plus 3v. Ashwin, I did not get what you got. Can you please once more say?
No, I got 6v minus 2u equals 16 as my final.
6v minus 2u equal to?
16.
That is correct. Only on the second equation, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So 6v minus 2u equal to 16. Now after this, what did you do?
I did the elimination for v.
So what did you do next?
I eliminated a v.
V, how did you eliminate v?
By like multiplying it by the LCM, both equations.
Good. Well, let's do that. Wait. Let me rearrange and write down. You eliminated v. How did you eliminate v? With what did you multiply?
I multiplied each equation. I multiplied the first one by 2 and then the second by 1.
Good. Multiply the second equation by 2. That's all, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that becomes minus 2u plus 6v equal to 8, which is exactly the same as minus 2u plus 6v.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
See, that's a little messy, right? Both the equations are one and the same. So if you subtract the equations, you get 0 equal to 0, which is an identity in mathematics. Identity means universally accepted statement. Universally accepted statement. 0 equal to 0 is something everybody accepts, right? So if you get an identity as a result of solving a linear equation with one variable or two variables, it can be just one equation with a variable. There as well, you can get universally accepted statements where everything cancels out. In that case, or you can get 6 equal to 6 or 5x equal to 5.
Yeah.
You can end with this. If you have it like that, then it does mean that this linear system, in this case, this linear system has infinitely many solutions. What does infinitely many solution represent? This is a line equation, this is a line equation, right? Both lines are exactly the same when you plot it. Both lines, let's say when you plot it like this, then again the other line as well is the same line. So the intersection points are infinite.
Yeah.
So that you end up with infinitely many solutions.
Okay.
Did that help you, Arman?
Yeah.
It's a little bit weird, but I want to do the other stuff. Wait. This is a good one. It's a good one. Let's see. Let's see this one. Okay, I'll give you this problem. You're going to try it out, okay? So you should see the weirdness of that. How about this? Okay. This is minus r plus 2t equal to 1. This is a weird one. Weird one, when we do only, we'll know what is weird about it. How about this? See, there are two lines. These are just two lines, okay? As I said, right, when you draw these two lines in a coordinate plane, either they can intersect at one point or they can be parallel. Yeah, this is one solution. One solution means intersection point is just one point. Parallel means no solution. Okay. And then what else it can be? It can be the same line. That means infinitely many solutions. I will show you. I'll graph it and show you as well. That way you'll understand. Try. Um, Ashwin, that is correct, but how did you decide? That means what? The two lines are?
But I didn't send anything yet.
Ah,
Hmm?
okay. That is for the previous question. I mistook, I think. Okay, no problem. Tisha, have you sent the answer, right, ma'am?
Yeah, I sent my answer.
Something feels wrong, Ratisha. I don't know what, but I'll do it on the board.
I'll try again one.
Sure, please. Something feels wrong. Take out the decimal, ma. That's what decimal fractions all confusing. Make the numbers work for you. I really want to plot one and show you. Let's see.
I'm getting something really weird.
What is it?
So I got one is equal to, like, I got a false statement. I think I just did something wrong because I got 1 is equal to 8 minus 9r over 3t.
Over 3t, but there are two variables, right? You
Mm.
see, you see, Vidyut, r and t should have, one of the variables should have been eliminated. You have two equations here. You can even substitute. When you look at it, this has a coefficient of 1. So for r, you can substitute.
Yeah.
You don't need to go with elimination. You can go with elimination though. So I want to rewrite this minus r plus 2t equal to 1. This is minus 2.5 r plus 5t equal to 7.
Oh wait, that's 2.5.
Oh, I thought it was a 2 times 5.
Yeah, I thought it was also 2 times 5.
Yeah, me too.
I'm sorry,
Same, I
guys.
also thought it was a 2 times 5.
Sorry. Okay, 1 minute before I move on, right? I want to clarify something to you guys. Okay. I did it incorrectly though. I should have done it like this. So this is the decimal point. Always in mathematics, it's like this. Okay. If it is a little up, it means multiplication. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yep. A decimal point, if it is down on the line, it is the decimal point. If it is up here, it means multiplication. Okay, now this is the down multiple. Let's try this one. So I'll multiply by 2.5. I think that's good. Minus 2.5 r plus 5t. 2.5 minus 2.5 r plus 5t equal to 7. So subtract both the equations. You get 0 on the left side. Then 0 equal to 4.5, which is a false statement. That means what? If it is a false statement, it has no solution. That means what? The lines are
Parallel. Parallel.
Yep, they don't intersect, or I can say they are parallel. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions here?
No.
No.
Okay. Did you follow Vishwan?
Yeah.
See, but the thing is, I really want you to be able to understand this with the graph. See, from your 7th grade standards, you should be able to plot it. Excluding Vidyut, everybody should be able to plot it. That's what I'm thinking, but let me see. How will you plot minus, let me not take this, minus x plus 2y equal to 8. Before I go ahead, right, I really want to see where we are. What is the slope of this line? Do you all remember? You're all done with your 7th grade curriculum, correct?
Mhm.
Is that thinking that it's like that, right? Can I ask you what is the slope of this line? What is the slope and what is the y-intercept? What is the x-intercept? I really want you guys to answer in chat. Let me see where we are and then we'll go from there. Vidyut.
really don't get it.
Huh?
I don't get what this is.
I know. I'll explain that to you.
Okay.
So, that's right, Arman. So, what is the slope? What is the y-intercept? What is the x-intercept?
Yeah, I'm solving for that.
Mm-hmm. This is just a test on what you already know, right? It's okay if you don't know, but I just need to know that you don't know. Sham, good job. Can you send me the y and x intercepts as well?
Okay.
It's absolutely okay if you don't know, but just send a message. Then only I'll know clearly. Don't keep quiet. Raga, good job, Raga. Okay, no problem. Ritisha, that is perfectly right. Okay, you have to solve for why you have done it. But what is the slope? Do you know, Ma?
I think so. I'm still solving for that.
No, but because see, I don't know whether you have done that. That's the problem. You and
I've-
Vidyu, I doubt.
I've done slope, y-intercept, and x-intercept before.
Oh, then please try.
Yeah.
Vidyut, I know that you don't know. That's absolutely fine. I'll go over it because you're completely new to it. Mm-hmm. Y-intercept. See, actually, in the sequence, this does not come, but it is nice to visualize this and learn together. So I'm bringing this in. It's not a part of the sequence that we are covering, though, but that's okay. Okay, when you visualize it, you get a lot of it'll make a lot of sense to you guys. Correct, Sham. I think so. Uh, hmm. Correct, Sham. Arman, correct. Ritisha, correct. Sham, you're done with your star, right? Sorry. You want to go somewhere? Go and come. Go and come. We can talk later.
Okay.
Slope is 1/2. You're done with your star, right?
Yeah.
Next year, what are you studying in school?
Um,
Algebra 1, right?
Yeah, algebra 1.
Okay, by the way, did you have IIAT exam?
No.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, I think we've spent enough time. Can I go ahead and explain? Raga, did you do, ma? Dia, did you do?
I did the slope.
What is it? You didn't send it to me.
I did.
You did? Okay, what? Oh, yeah, correct. You sent it to me. Can you send me the X and Y intercept?
Okay.
Vishnu Ram, do you know how to find the X and Y intercept?
No.
Okay, no problem, guys. Okay, let me go ahead and explain once because there are people who don't know, but that's fine. How about this? So here, I just want to know who. 1 minute, Amma. Let me make a note. Okay. Okay. So we are good. Let's see. Here, this is a line equation. Any line equation is of the format mx plus b. Always you should solve for the literal y. If you are given in any format other than right, other than the one given here, right, you should bring it to y equal to mx plus c, mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. What is this y-intercept? Let's say y-intercept means, let's say I have a line. Okay. Y-intercept. Y-axis intercept means to cut. Inter go across, cut. The line cuts the y-axis at this point, right? That is called the y-intercept. Then what is this called? Who can tell me?
The
The x-intercept.
X-intercept. It cuts the x-axis at that point. It's the x-intercept. Now let me take another line. It's so funny. Okay, let me take another line. This is the y-intercept. This is the x-intercept. Now, let's go ahead and draw another line. This is the y-intercept. This is the x-intercept. So, now we are defining y-intercept is the point in which a line intersects the y-axis. X-intercept is the point where the line intersects the x-axis. But it's so interesting to see all these y-intercept points, right? What are the x values? What are the x values of all the y-intercept points?
0.
0, 0, y, 0, y. So at the y-intercept, all of the y-intercept points, x value is 0. Similarly, all of the x-intercept points, what is 0?
Y.
Y. This is some x, 0. Some x value, 0. Some x value, 0. So at the x-intercept points, your y value is 0. Am I making sense? So we are making some generalizations. At the x-intercept, that means y value is 0. You will have some x value. At the y-intercept point, your x value is 0. You will have some y. Any questions? So if you want to find your x-intercept, substitute y equal to 0 and find out your x. If you want to find out your y-intercept, you can substitute x equal to 0, find out the y value. That coordinate point will give you the x and y-intercepts. Now coming to your slope, right, you're going to arrange this equation in this format y equal to. Okay, we have already solved for literals in this class. Solving for literals means solving for a separate variable. Now, given this equation does not have does not solve for any literals. So I'm going to solve for the literal y. How will I solve for the literal y? I'm going to retain this on one side, right? So add x to both sides. So 2y will be equal to 8 plus x. Divide by 2. So I'm going to bring it to the format y equal to. That is what is solving for the literal y. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Y will be equal to 4 plus 1 by 2x. See, I made it to this format. Now, the slope is half. M is equal to. When you compare this format with this, slope is half. Y-intercept is 0, 4. Now, how will you find the x-intercept? Substitute y equal to 0. When you substitute y equal to 0, what will happen? 4 equal to minus half x. X will be equal to minus 8. Make sense? This was a question for whom? Vidyut, where are we?
I'm I'm just somewhere like I don't get it.
Yes, I get it because it's the first time you're being given this input. Okay. Ashwin, where are we?
Yeah, I think I sort of get it.
You're starting to get it because you know this a little bit before. Okay. Okay. Vidyut, see, what are we doing here? We are solving for the literal y. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Solving for the literal y means you're solving for the equation. You're making the equation point to y equal to 4 plus x by 2, right? Half x. Correct? This is a line equation, right?
Yeah.
Okay, one thing what you can do is, this is a line equation. You know this, right? Now,
Yeah.
I'm going to put it into the coordinate plane. See whether you understand that better. All of you, this is graphing of the line, right? You know partially, but there are things that you don't know in the graphing. Let's see. I'm going to draw a coordinate plane. I'm going to draw a table. Any equation, if I want to put it into a graph, I will draw a table of x and y. X is my independent variable. I can give it any value. -5, -2, 0, 2, 5. So substitute these values into my equation. What is the y value? Substitute this 4 minus 2.5. That will be equal to 1.5. Substitute minus 2 in there. Instead of x, this will be a 3. If I substitute 0, my y value will be 4. Substitute 2 in there, this will be a 5. Substitute 5 in there, 6.5. Having said that, I'm going to draw these points because these are xy points, right? Minus 5, comma 1.5. Okay, then minus 2, comma 3. 0, comma 4. 2, comma 5. 5, comma 6.5. You see, this is my line. Any questions?
No.
Is easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, on this line, wherever my x value is 0, that point tells me the y-intercept. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
At the y-intercept, my x value is always 0.
Okay.
Another way of telling it is, substitute x equal to 0 in this equation. Whatever y you get is your y-intercept.
Okay.
Now, in the same equation, I don't have x value equal to 0. I can put it. If I put it, my y value will, if I put y value as 0. If I put y value as 0, then what would happen? 0 will be equal to 4 plus x by 2. X by 2 will be equal to minus 4. X will be equal to minus 8. So, for minus 8, I'm getting a 0. You got it? So that is the point where my line intersects the x-axis. The other way of telling it is, in the equation, put y equal to 0, find out x, that will be my x-intercept.
Oh, okay. Now I get it.
It's a little tricky, but you know what? To draw this line, it is enough if I find the x-intercept and y-intercept. 2 points of the line, if I know, I'll be able to plot the line. How do I find the 2 points? Put x value equal to 0, you get y-intercept. Put y value equal to 0, you get x-intercept. So with those 2 points, you can plot the line. Make sense?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
How about this? I'll give you another line equation. You can tell me these values. How about this? You want a difficult one? Yeah. How about this? 2x plus 3y equal to minus 11. Find out slope, x-intercept, y-intercept. Slope is positive means line goes up like this. Slope is negative means line comes down.
Mm-hmm. I know that one.
You know why?
Because it's going from, for the positive slope, it's going from like the negatives to a positives, and for the slope, it's going from the positives to negatives.
Yep. You're going to try this.
I don't think I really got the first part, like the first part.
No problem. Where is that you didn't get Vidyut?
Like how to find the equation so you can find the slope, the y-intercept, that like,
Okay. How to find? Okay. When we solve for literals, were you there Vidyut?
yeah, I was.
You was okay. You were okay. 2x plus 3y equal to minus 11. I have to solve for the literal y. So allow that to be on one side.
Oh,
Most of it should be taken out. What will I do?
3y equals minus 11 minus 2y and 2x.
And then divide by 3, divide by 3. Y will be equal to minus 11 minus 2x by 3. Makes sense? I can split it and write this one. Minus 2 by 3x minus 11 by 3. Makes sense? Now it is of the format mx plus b. So what is my slope? What is my slope?
Negative?
Yep, negative. M is my slope. What is my slope?
A negative slope?
Negative slope. What is the slope? What is the value of the slope?
Negative 2 over 3.
Yeah. What is my y-intercept? Y-intercept means a point at which the line cuts the y-axis. At that point, x is 0. So the y-intercept point can be given by 0, comma, minus 11 by 3.
Oh, okay.
How
Now,
will I find the x-intercept point?
the x-intercept point. So
X-intercept means the line will cut the x-axis. At that point, what is 0?
at 0.
So at those points, x is 0 or y is 0?
X is 0.
At the x-intercept
So
point,
y is 0.
y is 0. So can I substitute y equal to 0 in my line equation?
0 equals negative 2 over 3x minus 11 over 3.
Exactly, negative. That will be equal to 11 over 3. That will be x will be equal to minus 11 by 2. So minus 11 by 2 comma 0 is your x-intercept.
Oh, okay. Now I get it.
Okay, it's a little difficult. Okay, for the first time you're looking at it. So it's a little, now it's a little difficult, I know. But if you understand the concept, I'm good. See, this again, yeah, Raga, nice Raga. Yes, Vishnu Ram. Yeah, I feel like most of you got it. Doesn't matter, guys. I'm not targeting everybody to understand this. Ashwin, did you get it?
Yeah, sort of. Mhm.
Sort of, yeah. See, I'm not expecting everybody to get it, but I really want you to see, if you're given an equation, would you be able to graph it? Draw the table. You can put some independent values. Then correspondingly, you can substitute that x value in the equation and have the y values. You will form a table, right? So plot those coordinate points in your coordinate plane. You will draw the line. Okay. Coming to this, right? Coming to this concept of slope, x-intercept, y-intercept, all these will again be covered in the sequence later. Okay. For now, I just want you to solve algebraically using substitution and elimination for the two values x and y. You should be able to solve. If you're able to solve, then we are good. Any questions? So, for this week, right, we will just work on 5.3 exercise problems only. Only exercise problems, okay? Like 4, 5, 6, 7. There are only 8 questions, okay? Maybe one question will require you some time to be spent on it. Okay, having said that, right, where are we on Alchemist? I really want to test it and then let you go. Please hold on. I'm checking. Is it too hard? You also can check up, guys. Would you be able to do it? You have to see. This is only 8 in the book. Would you be able to do the... If we can do it together, it is nice, actually. I'm checking, guys. Algebra, right? My problem is they don't have it separately. That's not nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, you know what? You can do the solving two variable systems. Solving two variable systems. What was the last one we did? One variable linear equations. What was that we did last week? Please, one of you tell me.
One variable distribution and one variable linear equations.
Linear equation. See, then word problems in one way. Hey, there are 3. Okay, so let me upload it, guys. Okay, those 3 topics. Those 3 topics. And then this 8 problems, 5.3. Can we try that? Okay, if you have gotten it, if you don't have questions, you can log off.
Bye.
Bye. See you with you.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you all. Have a nice week ahead.
Goodbye.
Ashwin, how did you understand the class?
Yeah.
Okay. Your mom is there?
Yeah.
I wanted to talk to your mom.
Okay. I can call her. Hi, Priya.
So we are done with, okay, today he might have understood, but this does not mean everything he's on. Okay.
Track. Right.
But he would have understood today's class is my honest thought.
I see. Okay. Yeah. I'll talk to him and then,
Let me know. Okay.
yeah, sure. Yeah.
Uh,
Thanks, Priya.
bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.